It's a really beautiful evening out tonight, and we're probably, I don't know, 10 minutes or so from the sun going down. Another night when I was on my property here, I noticed that there's just a lot of fireflies that are going off once the sun goes down. So right before it gets dark, I thought I'd come out and try my hand at shooting pictures of these fireflies tonight. So what I'm not doing now is just trying to pre-visualize the anchor shot I want to do. What I'll end up doing in the shot is taking a bunch of images. I'm going to set my camera on the intervalometer and let it take pictures every 5 seconds or so, and hopefully get enough flashes once we combine them and merge those pictures, kind of like star stacking. But once we merge those pictures into Lightroom, or once we merge those pictures in Photoshop, we'll have a pretty compelling image to look at. So there's a couple things I'm thinking about doing. One is I've got a bridge on my property. I'm thinking about using this bridge as a foreground, or I'm thinking about using the sunflowers right back there as a foreground. But either way, I think we can make some pretty neat shots here, so we'll see how it goes. So after thinking about my choices, I actually set my camera up facing away from the bridge. I think my neighbors on across the pasture, across the county road, I think they have a guard light, and I think they'll mess up my shot. So instead, I found this really awesome sunflower, and it's got a great composition where I can anchor the sunflower into the corner of the shot. I can have the leading lines of this field road I've got leading away from me, and so hopefully tonight all these fireflies will kind of light in this area along these trees, and it'll make for a pretty compelling shot. So we'll see what happens. So I'm back here this morning to retrieve my camera, and I left it out all night because I set the intervalometer up so it could take a picture every 10 seconds. My setup is pretty simple. 50mm lens, I focused on the sunflower that's going to provide my foreground element, and then I set the camera to take a 3-second exposure every 10 seconds, and just went to the house, went to sleep, and forgot about it overnight. And so this morning I'm here to retrieve it. Had to replace the battery. Lens is all fogged up because it's pretty humid this morning, but I looked at a few of the pictures after I replaced the battery, and it looks like I've got some. So we'll take them back to the house, download all these images, put them in the computer, and then see what kind of magic we can make from there.